Hello, most of the calls we get is how do we get started? How do we start accepting online orders and have those orders print to our Clover POS? So if you're asking that question, you come to the right spot. It's very easy to get started. The first thing you want to do is type in Smart Online Order in your Clover dashboard. You may already be at the screen. If not, just type it in and you'll see it. The next step is to click on Smart Online Order. Next step is to make sure you have the correct location selected, okay? This is very important. So if you want to install it at Sam's Restaurant or Mike's Restaurant or John's Market or Steve's Coffee, choose that location. So I'm going to install it as Sam's Restaurant. If you only have one location, then you don't have to worry about this because you won't have a drop down like this. Next step is press connect. Once you press connect, what you want to do is you want to choose the correct option. So you have unlimited orders, WooCommerce, and complete new website. The majority of merchants will use this option. This is unlimited orders for $30 a month. You can do as many orders as you want, okay? This one is for retail businesses. If you're not retail, then choose this one. This is for restaurants. This is restaurants. Some retail can use this, but I don't recommend it for retail. We recommend this one for retail, okay? And this one is if you don't have nothing to begin with and you're starting from scratch, you need a website built, then choose this one. The majority of merchants already have a website. They have Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, or any of the websites that are out there. Then you just choose this option. Press accept. Once you press accept, you'll be taken to the online order page, setup page. From here, you'll be able to make your online order page. So when you see this screen, it's going to ask you what best describes your current situation. The majority of merchants that I speak with is at this situation right here. I have a Wix website, Squarespace website, GoDaddy website, or any other websites besides WordPress. If you're a web developer and you want to do it all by yourself on your own WordPress website, then select this option. But most merchants may not have the technical skills to do it, then select this option because this is going to be your best bet. Even if you do have WordPress, it's still okay to select this because you can link it to your WordPress website. Okay, this is for more advanced users that already have a WordPress website and they want to install it within their website, then choose this option. But again, 90% of merchants will choose this option. So okay, and again, if you don't have a website, then choose this one. But we're gonna go with this one for now because this is the best option, which will cover the most broad range. Press next, and then put your domain name. So I have Sam's. I'm gonna say Sam's Burgers. Okay. See how it automatically said congratulations. That means the name is available. Again, just put your business name. Don't put .com. Don't put like anything else. Just put your business name right here. And then this will be your online order page right here, this whole thing. And then put your business name again, Sam's Burgers or whatever it's called. Just put it here. Put your phone number, your email. And when it asks for your password and confirm password, this password is for your online order page. It's not for your Clover password. It's not your other password. So you want to make a new password for your online order page, okay? So put your password here, and then upload a logo. This is important because if you do it now, it'll save you a lot of time not to do it later. So if you do it right now, it'll be the best time to do it. Optional header image. This is important because when customers visit your website, they want to see a nice picture in the background of some kind of food so they can make them buy it. So you want to upload your header image now rather than later because you can do it later, but it's going to be more work. So if you do it now, it's better. So, and then once you do that, press submit. Once you press submit, it'll take about 60 seconds for your order online page to be created. Remember, what's doing now is taking your Clover inventory, all the items, modifiers, and categories you have, and making a online order page out of those items and modifiers you have. So you may have to wait up to 60 seconds because it could take up to 60 seconds. If your menu is very short, it'll take up to 10-30 seconds. But so just kind of wait it out until it's finished. Once it's finished, you'll get a page where it'll give you the link to the order online page. So I'm going to wait it out because my menu is pretty extensive, so it might take up to 60 seconds. Once it's created, you'll see this page right here. It'll say, congratulations, your online order page is ready. You can visit by clicking this link. This is a link to your order online page. This is a link to log in. Remember how earlier you made that username password? That's the username password you'll use to log into it. So you're gonna click on this and then put that username password. But for now, we're gonna click on this link to see what it looks like. And before I click on that link, I want to let you know this video right here is very important. What to do next? Make sure to watch this video because it covers some important steps on what to do next. Because you want to make sure the customer's name's on the receipt. You have the business hour set up. So make sure to watch this video. When you see this screen, watch this video because it's very important. And you'll also get an email with the second video to do after you watch this one. Once you watch those 2 videos, you'll become a pro and you'll know how to do all the changes yourself. Okay? So let's see what it looks like. There we go. So there's my order online page. So as you can see, I have my logo here, my order online page, and then my menu. So since I may not have, let me check my inventory real quick. This is what the order online page will look like. I just refreshed my page so you can see what it looks like. So it has all your categories on one side and all your items on the other side. So here's my sandwiches, my dry goods, whatever you have on your Clover inventory will show up here. And then you'll get an email on how to log in. Or again, you can follow this instructions here. Click on this to log into the backend. Once you click on this, then you'll be taken here. This is called the back end of your order online page. The first thing you want to do is hide all the stuff you don't want to sell online. So I don't want to sell this. I don't want to sell donuts. I don't want to sell this. Hide all the stuff you don't want to sell. How do you do that? You click on this button here, and then this button here, and then categories. It may sound a little bit confusing or difficult at first, but if you follow these simple steps, it's very easy. So click Clover Orders, Settings, and then you'll see all your settings for your order online page. Okay? So for example, I'm gonna briefly take you through here because you can actually, there's other videos on YouTube on how to do individual settings. But just to get started, usually the first thing merchants do is come here and hide the stuff they don't want to offer for sale on their website. The next thing they want to do is go to order types, and if they're not offering delivery, they will disable that. See, I'm not going to offer delivery. I'm going to press save because I'm only going to do pickup. If you're offering delivery, just leave it the way it is. Next thing you want to do is go to modifiers and then hide all the modifiers you don't want to offer. If you don't want to offer burger toppings, then hide it. If you do want to offer burger toppings, leave it. But if you don't want to offer add egg, then take that off. Okay? Again, this is sample inventory, so yours will vary. Next thing what merchants do is they go here and then they want to enable login and checkout. You can. Do you want your customers to pay with cash beforehand? I mean, pay at location, like not pay in advance. You can turn that off and on. Pay upon delivery. These are pretty self-explanatory. Coupons, you can enable coupons, and you can create a coupon right here. Tips, do you want to enable tips? You can do that. Just enable tips. I'm going to enable that. And again, just if, you have lots of ways of changing stuff. Thank you page, I would highly recommend leaving this one the way it is because we made a very good thank you page that thanks to customers for their order. So don't change this one unless you can make something better than the one we did. Press save changes. And I don't want to go through all the steps here because the video will get very long. I want to keep the video short. Because as you learn the online ordering process, you can watch the other videos on YouTube to learn how to make changes to individual ones, like how to add delivery areas. So you press add zone and then add your delivery zones. But there's another video for that, so you can watch that one. Store interface, different looks and feel of your order online page. I highly recommend this one. This is a really good one, but you can change it if you like. Let's see. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm just showing you when you install it, this is what you're going to be seeing after you install it. You're going to see all these options and different things, what to expect. But those videos that was emailed to you, make sure to watch that because those videos will go step by step on every of these features so you know how to make those changes, okay? I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes, and for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video now. But good luck. If you do get stuck, if you have questions, you can feel free to reach out to us by calling the number. Again, it should be pretty easy for you, but again, always reach out to us if you need help. Thank you so much.